All right. This one is notice it says identify an extraneous solution. So extraneous solution means an answer that doesn't work. Okay. Here's your official box of what an extraneous solution is. Okay. And here's how it works. So I have a square root that I want to get rid of. Like in our other examples, we're going to start by squaring both sides. So this side I get 3x minus 2. This side I get x minus 4 squared, which is the same thing as x minus 4 times x minus 4. Which then I am going to distribute and combine like terms. Notice I have a quadratic function. That means I have to set equal to 0 by moving those things over. So I end up with 0 equals x squared minus 11x plus 18. At this point, I have the option to do quadratic formula if that's what you like. I would rather factor, so I'm going to ask myself, what multiplies to get 18 but adds to get negative 11? And that's going to be negative 9 and negative 2. So that's going to be x minus 9, x minus 2. To finish solving this out from quadratics, I'm going to set each equal to 0. And I get 2 answers. So you're like, great, that's my answer. X equals 9 and x equals 2. Bam. Well, if I plug these in, one of them works, one of them does not. Let's see what happens. So square root of 3 times 9 minus 2 equals 9 minus 4. So that's square root of 27 minus 2 is square root of 25 equals 5. Hey, yes, 5 equals 5. Cool. So x equals 9. Awesome. Okay. Let's look at the other one. 3 times 2 minus 2 equals 2 minus 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Square root of 4 equals negative 2. Square root of 4 is 2. And that does not equal negative 2. So this one is an extraneous solution. Okay. So that is why you must check your answers. Let's go and look at the graph form of this problem. So it says, what is the extraneous solution? So if I use Desmos and graph the very, very original picture, I get this. And it only intersects right here. So x equals 9 is my answer. From this picture, I have no idea that an extraneous solution even exists. Okay, I just know that the answer is 9 and that's it. Now, in the other picture, so what is the other picture graphing? The other picture is graphing, actually back up. The other picture is graphing this right here. Okay, what happened after we squared it? This is what happened when we squared it. They actually wrote it as that one right there, but that's okay. Same thing. It shows both intersections, but remember, this one worked for the radical, this one did not. So extraneous solutions, you must be very careful on what to do. And this is an example where you have a radical on one side and just an expression without a radical on the other.